Next question.
So good.
She threw it back.
Yes. Thank you guys. Really hitting. Hey guys! Welcome to another video on the channel. In this video, we're going to be trying some things that we got, some Japanese snacks and drinks. And we're gonna try it. These are my two sisters. We're missing one, but she's a baby. She can't drink and eat. So, and we got mom over here. Mom, okay. So we're going to be trying each thing. I don't know if you guys want to start with drinks or snack.
Drinks.
Okay,
no,
so
let's do that.
Okay, we're gonna start with this ice cream. Set to melt in your mouth.
Not in your hand.
Okay, so we're gonna try this first.
Okay, why?
What?
Looks like real ice cream cone.
It does, right?
Yeah, it's dry.
Wait,
It's real ice cream. Ooh, do you see this wrapper?
Okay, really?
Look at the box, it's so cute. Look at the cute little. Okay, so in the box we have chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And then it's like,
Bruh.
Oh, damn.
oh no.
Okay, just
All right,
grab
so
what you want.
everybody
I want
choose a
vanilla.
flavor. Choose a flavor. I don't know.
I like chocolate.
I feel like the strawberry's gonna
I
be
like that it
overpowering.
comes in like real individual.
True.
Oh wow.
I think I'm gonna choose vanilla because the strawberry might be overpowering.
Be careful opening it. It looks
We're
like
gonna
you'll
open
break.
it. Okay.
Oh, it looks like a little
Looks like
waffle cone.
Oh my god, you're so cute.
Okay, are we gonna try it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, on the count of three.
Oh, wait. I didn't even open it yet.
Oh. I'm trying to be really
This is
careful.
good.
Open.
All right. So on the count of you want me to open it for you?
It smells good.
Oh, it does.
This smells
It smells like
Yeah.
chocolate.
Good.
It smells like chocolate.
Cheers.
You're gonna end up breaking it. All right.
Okay.
Cheers. 1, 2. Cheers.
Oh, no, I thought you was
Vanilla, chocolate.
All right. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tastes like brownies.
Okay, for one.
Wait, it's like fudge.
It's a chocolate fudge.
You don't like it?
It's good, but it's like it's like the ice cream part is like.
Is it just me or does it feel like I'm taking a bite out of bread?
You want some, Grayson?
Okay. What do you give it out of 10? Mommy, go
1
first.
through 10?
Mm-hmm.
I give this 8 out of 10. This is so good.
Okay. You guys rate first.
10 out of 10.
Dream is nibbling it, so she looks like it's a 3 out of 10.
I give it a 4.
Why? You didn't even bite it to give it an accurate.
Chocolate in it.
Exactly, but you didn't get it an accurate. You did not give it an accurate. You didn't give it an accurate number. You barely bit the shit.
Okay, I give it a.
Okay, I'm not.
I give it a.
I mean,
7.
the waffle is really good.
Mm-hmm.
The filling is really good.
That was good, sort of, kind of, yeah. Now we're gonna move on to the drinks. We're gonna try these first, and then we're gonna try this one.
Okay, so we are doing drink snacks. Woo! Okay, the first one is by Baruto, and that's Ramune pomegranate flavor.
Ramune.
So this is the up close. It looks pretty good.
Not angry.
And the next flavor we have is watermelon flavor. It's a carbonated drink. Looks pretty dark.
They're all carbonated drinks.
And the next one we have here is Sangria. And this is naturally flavored melon ramu bottle. Pretty freaking delicious. Yo, delicioso. Okay. Grab it.
All right, so the first one we're gonna be trying is pomegranate. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys how it is because I hear like there's a cool thing about it. It's a candy inside, actually. So when you drop the candy, oh, I think it had instructions on it. Wait, okay. Oh, I didn't take the whole thing off. Oh, you pop the cap down and you release this little candy. You see the candy, guys?
Oh.
And then it adds to the.
Really?
No. Oh, you're supposed to pop it. The heck? Oh shoot! Wait. Okay, so I think we put this here and then we pop it down.
No, Seven did a birthday. Release the candy. Happy birthday to you.
I'm trying, guys. I'm
honey.
trying.
Surgery much?
This is quite confusing. How do we get the candy down?
Guys, she broke the game.
All right, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, we finally found out how to open it.
Wow.
Okay, so you know we've been like spending a lot of time together. I mean, we've been. Wow.
It smells so good.
Look at it.
It smells so good.
I know.
Yeah, let's try it out.
What do you guys think about school, like being online?
Very critical. Kind of sucks.
Why?
Yeah, because it's hard to
kinda
do
bad.
work.
It's really bad.
It's
Like,
like,
do you think the focus is more?
oh, it's already gone.
Hold up, let me.
I think it's better in person because you get to like have like, I don't know. It's like better in person for me. Like, not gonna lie, online is kind of good too. But yeah. Oh, we didn't even try it on together.
It's good.
1, 2,
It's
good.
good.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's drink.
Pretty good.
Oh, I like this. Oh, shit.
Tastes kind of like cranberry. My favorite.
Yeah, it
juice.
does.
Here's pomegranate.
It does.
It's like
It's
cranberry, but not like with the strongest.
Yeah, and then you have the candy still rolling around in it. So this must give it like that kick of flavor.
Pretty much. And it's like, it's carbonated, so it's like soda, but it's not soda. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Wow.
She said it.
Okay,
tastes like
finish
strawberry.
your cups because we're
It does.
about to
I
go
thought
to
it
the
was
second.
strawberry too.
No, it tastes like cranberry to me. Oh, it does taste like strawberry at first. It tastes like strawberry Fanta, but like flat.
Okay, so what do you rate it as?
What do you guys rate?
6 out of 10.
Dream, what do you rate it?
9 out of 10.
Okay, Heaven.
I think 6 out of 10.
6?
Yeah.
Joel?
10 out of 10, pretty much.
A straight 10 for me.
All right. So that was the pomegranate one. Now we're gonna do the watermelon one. Okay, so before we get into this, what do you guys think it's gonna taste like?
Drink it. It's good.
I think it's gonna taste delicious.
Taste
like
it.
I
orange
think
fish
it's gonna taste like blueberry.
Blueberry.
or Pepsi.
So we're gonna open this one. Mom, what do you think it's gonna taste like? Do you think it's gonna taste good? Better than the other one, or?
Maybe. I love watermelon, so. I love watermelon.
Come on,
Okay,
pop
so
it out.
Here's how you do this. If you guys don't know how to open these kind of drinks and you're doing it too, you're gonna take these apart. It's basically the same thing as one top. And then you're gonna take this and you're gonna kind of like push it down. So like if you're bad at strength, just try to keep a grip like this and just brace yourselves. I like doing it like this though. Wait.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You did.
Oh my goodness. What are
Release the candy.
All right, this shows I need to work out more.
Oh,
Release
Lord.
the cat now. release the candy.
Wait.
Just release it.
How did I do the other one?
Oh.
Oh.
No. Oh my. Breaking the candy.
I can't even shake it. Alright, let me see.
Oh.
A few moments later.
Oh! It's coming out the bottom.
Lightning in a bottle.
It smells good too. Really? You smell it? Alright, so we're gonna get a toothpick. I had too much.
Why was
last
that so
night.
hard to?
I don't know. It needed a lot of force for some reason. Here we go. Oh.
Hey, that was only a bit.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Let me have some.
It's champagne, guys. Why did you taste it without us? Alright, cheers, guys. Champagne. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna try this melon flavor. And now I know you're thinking, is it watermelon? No, there's two different things. It's melon and then there's watermelon. But this one, it's supposed to be in the same bottle as you can see. But I guess for people who don't like the candy, it's in this bottle. So we're gonna actually get to see how these drinks taste without the candy. So, oh.
You shook it.
Oh, oh shoot. Oh, it smells good.
I can't wait.
All right. Oh, it smells like bubble gum. And it's clear. Okay.
You're drinking first, please. I need to
On the
know.
count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm scared. Delicious.
Hey, John.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
I give it a 5.
I give it a 1.
I give it a 9.
I give it a 1. So out of these drinks that we just drunk, which one is your favorite?
I think it's this one.
Pomegranate, watermelon, melon. You like pomegranate more?
Yeah.
I think pomegranate is better too.
Melon.
Melon? Oh, that's
Ew.
disgusting. That's disgusting. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below what videos you think we should do and what you think of this video, because we want to know. We want to know. Like, if you want to see more videos with my sisters. And peace out.